Good morning, students. Today is our first class, and today I have to start our chemistry classes. Today we discuss on the syllabus of chemistry, half yearly and final exam. So, firstly, we have right here chemistry, chemistry syllabus, chemistry syllabus. We have also write the name of class 8. There is some changes uh, of your syllabus book. Here Pearson's book have used to uh, teach you. So I have details according to your Pearson books. Okay. Firstly, we have to write which chapters you have to read. First chapter you have to read synthetic fibers and plastics. Synthetic fibers and plastics. Synthetic fibers and plastic. First chapter you have to read. Fourth chapter you have to read. Next, it means second chapter, and in your book fourth chapter according to serial, metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metals. Third chapter you have to read coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum. Fourth chapter you have to read combustion, flame and fuels. Combustion, flame and fuel. Fuels. Fifth chapter you have to read chemical effect of electric current. Chemical effects. Chemical effects of electric current. Okay. Sixth chapter you have to read pollution of air and water. Pollution of air and water. Okay. So students, you have to read 6 chapters. Number of total chapter is 6. You have to read for first term and second term both. Here we also discuss which chapter you have to read in essay 1. It means that for half yearly, and which chapters you have to read for final exams. Here you see these chapters. These 3 chapters you have to read. These 3 chapters you have to read for essay 1, essay first, and these 3 chapters you have to read for essay 2. Okay. Here I also write this is for half yearly. half early exam. Okay, and for annual exam, or you also say it is final exam. For final exam, you have to also idea about for final exam. I write here for final exam you have to rate 40% syllabus, 40% syllabus from essay 1 summative assessment 1 and 60% syllabus from essay 2. Okay, I hope you all understand this your final term syllabus and half yearly syllabus. I have also discussed for periodic. Okay, you also see here for periodic first. There are 4 periodic tests held in your whole exams, completing whole exams. Then you have to divide these 4 chapters. In for periodic, these two chapters you have to read chapter 1 and chapter 2. You have to read for periodic first. Okay, these 2 chapters you have to read. These 2 chapters you have to read chapter 3 and chapter 4 for periodic second, and chapter 5 you have to read for periodic third, and this is for periodic fourth. Okay, these types you have to read or I teach you your syllabus. Okay, please take a screenshot of this page. Students, please take a screenshot of this page. Students, please take a screenshot of this page. For few minutes I have to unmute yourself, and if you have any doubts or any problems related to your syllabus, please ask from me. Okay, you all ready for ask your problems and doubts? I unmute you all. If you have, I unmute you all. Only serially you have
Sir.
to read your questions.
Sir.
Okay, okay, you ask.
हेलो
Okay, ask.
सर, साइंस का बुक कोर्डोवा पब्लिकेशन का है क्या?
No, no, no.
सर बुक का नाम क्या है? तो पब्लिकेशन भी लिख देते हैं।
Pearson publication, Pearson.
सर क्या?
Pearson. Yes,
चेंज हुआ है क्या सर बुक?
yes, yes.
सर पर चैप्टर तो मिल रहा है।
No doubt, and not any problem. Your all chapters
सर तो इस
are equal in both books.
हर हैंड रेज करो लोग।
सर
Yes.
कॉर्डोवा वाला बुक ट्राई कर सकते हैं।
Yes, yes, yes.
Hello, excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
ask your question. Ask.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
chapter 1 to 3 हाफ ईयरली एग्जामिनेशन से आ रहा है और पीरियोडिक टेस्ट 2 में 3 और 4 चैप्टर आ रहा है, तो सर जब हाफ ईयरली में 4th चैप्टर भी तैयार कर लेंगे।
That time we have to see. Uh, don't worry. What we do
Excuse
this
me,
time.
sir.
Okay, right. Okay, say your question.
ओके सर।
Please ask, Hari.
हो गया ना
Sir, can we have the book list?
You contact from management.
Sir, book list ना list है
For book list you have to contact from your management. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
यस
Have you any
सर
doubt? Is it clear? You all take a screenshot of this page. You all take a screenshot of this page. You all take a screenshot of this page.
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
Yes, sir.
Thanks. We go on forward, and one again you have to mute. You all, I have mute. Okay. We go in next page.
Excuse me, sir.
Detailing.
ऐसे एग्जाम और पीरियोडिक एग्जाम सब दोनों अलग अलग है।
Please, you mute yourself, student. Please. No ask any types of question this time. I have given you time to ask a question. Then this time you have to ask your question. Okay. Don't disturb this time. Here we have to discuss our first chapters. Here we have to write chapter 3, synthetic fiber and plastics. Synthetic fibers and plastics. Okay. Synthetic fibers and plastic. This is our chapter number 3. Which topic, which subtopics we have to read in this chapter? We have details here. First chapter. So first topic, here we have two details: synthetic fiber and plastics. Firstly, we have to read about what is fiber. It means that definition of fiber. Next, we have to read about types of fiber, types of fibers. Next, we have to read about polymerization. Polymerization. In these topics, we have also read our fourth subtopic. We have to read monomers and polymers. Monomers and polymers. Okay. Next subtopics, we have to read types of synthetic fibers, types of synthetic fibers. Next, we have to read these topics: blended fibers. Okay. Next subtopic we have to read. Identify the types of fiber. Identify the types of fiber. Next we have to teach about plastics. Very important topic, plastics. Then we have to read about properties of plastics, or from for this we have to read classification of plastics. Classification of plastic. Okay. Then we have to read about properties of plastics. Properties of plastics. Plastics. After this, we have to read about uses of plastics. Uses of plastics. Okay. Next topic we have to read in this chapter, plastics and the environment. How can we relate plastics and environment? Plastics and the environment. Or lastly, we have to read about last topic. How can this problem be solved? How can this problem? How can this problem be solved? These 13 topics we have to read in these chapters. I have also revised these topics, which topics we have to read in these chapters. Firstly, we have to read fibers. After this, we have to read types of fibers. After this, we have to read polymerization, then monomers and polymers. After this, we have to read about types of synthetic fibers. Next, blended fibers. Next, identify the types of fibers. After this, we have to read about plastics, then classification of plastics. After this, properties of plastics, then uses of plastics and the environment. And lastly, we have to read about, it means that our last topics for this chapter, how can this problem be solved, which types of problems created by plastics, because you all know about plastics. This is non-biodegradable. So how different types of problem created due to plastics uses. So how can we solve the decomposition of plastics materials, and how can manage this waste? So in last topic we have to read about how can this problem be solved in very details. Okay. For sometimes we have to unmute you all. If you have any types of problem or doubts, please ask for me. Okay, I unmute yourself. Students, I unmute yourself. If you have any doubts or problem, please ask.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, right?
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes. Please ask.
सर मार्केट में तो बुक मिल नहीं रहा, तो सर कैसे हम लोग पढ़ेंगे?
You don't.
Yes, sir.
I already.
Yes, sir.
I already.
Yes,
सर
sir.
मार्केट में बुक मिल नहीं रहा, तो हम लोग कैसे करेंगे क्लास?
Please listen what I say. Please listen what
Yes,
I say.
sir. Book stop पे
कह
available
रहा है
नहीं है.
कि
Please
नहीं
ask
मिलेगा।
what I say. Please listen me.
सर मिल
Please
गया।
listen me. Wait, please listen me. What I say. I say you already that you have. You don't worry about books. I already teach you which chapters, chapter names, subtopics you have to read in this chapter. Then what is the use of books? I also you have to done your question answer. I also give you your questions between classes. During classes, you have to also solve these questions according to topics. So if you have no books, then don't worry. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर
Yes.
According to you,
सर मैं पहले का क्लास नहीं किया हूँ सर, मेरे को पता नहीं था, इसलिए सर वो वाला उसका नोट्स वगैरह कैसे मिलेगा सर?
Student, please ask in English. Please ask in English. Speak in English, please.
This is the first class of sir.
Yes, this is the first class. This is the first class
Sir,
of
this is
chemistry.
my first class. I want to notes up before class.
There is no any classes
Class.
held by me before this class. Okay, this is your first class.
first of all, class today
Okay.
is chemistry.
Not only our also, and your all
Yes,
students.
sir.
This is the
Yes,
first
sir.
class of your school for class 8.
Sir.
Okay, for
Sir.
chemistry.
Sir, we no need to book, sir.
If you have no books this time, then don't worry about books. What I teach you, you concern or focus these topics deeply, then you have no need of your book. Okay,
Okay, sir.
don't worry about it. Yes, ask your question.
School will be open, sir.
If you have any doubts related to this topic, then ask. When your school open, this information or message sent by your management. Okay?
Okay,
You
sir.
check your message box. Yes, ask if any types of question.
We will write all topics in our notebook.
What you say? Please ask one time also.
Write this in our notebook.
Your voice not completely come.
Sir, we have to write
I will have to write this in
our
a fair
notebook.
copy.
Yes. You have to write these topics in your fair copy. You have also made your fair copy. Okay.
This topic.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And also information I have to give in. One information I have to give in. You also search my
Sir,
channel.
I can screenshot.
Please listen me what I say. Please listen me what I say. You also search.
Tell me, sir.
Please listen me what I say. You also search on your YouTube channel.
E-content.
You also search this in your YouTube channel, Vikas Godhani. Okay, these all materials are available on YouTube channels. Okay, Vikas Godhani YouTube channels. You all given your videos, topics, question answer. All you have to search on Vikas Godhani.
I was already subscribed to channel, sir.
Okay, very nice. Students, I watch
me, sir.
all types of activity. I watch all types of your activity.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
your YouTube channel name?
Vikas Godhani.
YouTube channel name?
Sir, board पे लिख
I
दीजिए.
have write your on your phone Vikas Godhani. Okay.
विकास कोदरी स्पेलिंग सर दिक्कत हो रही.
not VIKSSGODNI. These are the spellings of my YouTube channel. Okay.
Sir,
Yes,
this
sir.
is your photo.
Sir,
Yes.
170 subscribers. Sir, 170 subscribers.
Okay.
Vikas.
You also subscribe this
Vikas
channel.
Godani.
like
I have
and share.
subscribed your channel.
Okay. You also
Vikas Godani.
subscribe,
I
like.
have also subscribed your channel.
Okay. These all materials
sir, I have
Vikas.
you have find out on your
Okay.
YouTube channels, my YouTube channels. Okay.
Sir,
So
I also like your channel.
Thank you very much.
Or 171 subscriber.
Okay. Very nice. All subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sir, I
Thank you
also
very much.
subscribe your YouTube channel.
Thank you very much.
Sir, can you read the name?
Thank you very much. Thank you.